This video explains what the recycle bin is. In simple terms, the recycle bin is a special system folder that temporarily holds files and folders that were deleted. The items are not permanently removed right away. The recycle bin exists because users sometimes delete files by mistake. It provides a temporary holding place so deleted items can be restored before they are permanently removed. The recycle bin is not a regular folder for storing files. It is not a backup or cloud storage system, and deleting something does not mean it is permanently gone right away. The recycle bin temporarily holds files you have removed until it is emptied. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize where deleted files go before they are permanently removed. You usually see the recycle bin as a system icon on the desktop. When a file is deleted, it appears inside the bin. The icon may change to show that it contains items. This diagram organizes the idea of the recycle bin. Use it as a reference if needed. When deleted files are held temporarily before permanent removal, that is the recycle bin.